In a small village, there lived a young girl named Sophia. Sophia was known for her bright smile. No matter what happened, she always had a smile on her face. Her smile was so warm and genuine that it made everyone around her feel happy and calm. Sophia's parents were simple farmers, and though they didn't have much, they were a happy family. Sophia's smile made their days brighter, even when the work was hard or the weather was bad. Everyone in the village loved Sophia because, with just one smile, she could lift their spirits. One day, a big storm hit the village. The winds were strong and the rain was heavy. Many houses, including Sophia's, were damaged. The crops were ruined, and the villagers were worried about how they would recover. People began to feel sad and hopeless. Sophia's father looked at their damaged house and ruined fields and felt his heart sink. "How will we survive?" he wondered aloud, his face filled with worry. Sophia saw the worry on her father's face, but she didn't let it take away her smile. She went to her father and said, "Papa, I know things look bad now, but everything will be okay. We can rebuild our home and the crops will grow again. We just have to keep trying and not give up." Her father looked at her and asked, "Sophia, how can you still smile after all that has happened?" Sophia smiled even wider and said, "Papa, I believe that if we keep smiling and stay hopeful, we can make things better. A smile can make the worst days feel a little brighter." Her father nodded, feeling a bit of hope returning. "You're right, Sophia. We can't let this storm take away our happiness." Sophia and her family started working hard to rebuild their home. The villagers saw Sophia's family working with determination and hope. Inspired by Sophia's smile and positive attitude, they also began to repair their homes and help each other. Slowly, the village started to come back to life. One day, after many months of hard work, the village was almost back to normal. The houses were rebuilt, and new crops were growing in the fields. The villagers were happy again, and it was all because of Sophia's smile. One evening, the village elders gathered and called Sophia to them. The oldest of them said, "Sophia, your smile gave us the strength to face our difficulties. You reminded us that even in the hardest times, we should not let the world take away our joy. You've shown us that a smile can truly change the world." Sophia smiled and said, "I just wanted everyone to feel as hopeful as I did. No matter what happens, I believe we should never lose our smile." From that day on, the villagers remembered Sophia's words. They understood that while the world could be harsh and challenging, they had the power to keep their happiness alive with just a smile. And Sophia's smile continued to shine, brightening the lives of everyone in the village. The moral of the story is simple. Use your smile to change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. For more valuable lessons like the video and subscribe to our channel, thank you, stay blessed.